Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin now by powering off the phone and removing SIM and SD cards so circuitry is inactive. Use a hairdryer or heat gun to soften adhesive around the screen. Move heat evenly, not too close. While warm, insert a plastic spudger and gently separate the display from the frame. Pry a gap and slide a pick around the edge. Once you have an opening, disconnect the battery connector first to avoid shorting. Make sure to keep screws organized and photographed for reassembly. Now, with the battery disconnected, you remove screws securing brackets and carefully detach display and digitizer flex connectors. Use a magnifier if needed. Clean the frame thoroughly, scraping away adhesive and wiping with 90% isopropyl alcohol to ensure a flat bonding surface. Position the new display and connect flex cables temporarily. Before sealing, reconnect the battery and power on to verify touch, colors, and proximity sensor. This avoids resealing a faulty screen. Once confirmed, power down and prepare to finalize. Complete reassembly by removing temporary connections, apply new adhesive tape or heat-activated glue in even strips, and align the display precisely with the frame. Press firmly and let adhesive cure. Reinstall any metal brackets and screws in their photographed positions, then reinsert SIM and SD cards. Power on and run basic checks: touch responsiveness, display uniformity, and camera function. If you see flicker or no touch, power down. Reseat display and battery connectors, clear cache and recovery, and recalibrate the screen if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.